taking the dogs for a walk. It's Carrie, that's Titan, it's Black Lab is Thor. Yeah, they're very complicated and walking. No, boy, come here.
Let's close the door.
Come here, boy. No. Come here. Is it karaoke going on back there? I don't know what. This is a little vlog for you guys. For the one subscriber, my dad. Please subscribe. I'm begging. And when it's my birthday, you have to. When it's my birthday, you just have to. I'll get you back. Yeah, I'm getting a better shot of them. It's Carrie's car. I'm not gonna show. Oh, it's her mom's car. Where's your car? Come on.
They don't fit in the truck.
They don't fit in the trunk? Why?
They're too big.
I was like, where's Dad? But, yeah. Hey, remember the big puddle that you almost drowned in?
I do.
It was like super thin. How would you drown in that thing? Somebody dug a hole. I wanna be tall. It's my New Year's resolution. I wanna go 7 inches tall. Shout out to Jana Marbles. I'm a 9-year-old struggling in this life with Black Lab and a Golden Retriever thing. Golden Retriever
I'm a
thing.
yellow lab.
You're a yellow lab. Like, he's more thin and he's more thick. What is happening?
Jamming over there.
Yeah. Do they have like a DJ? Is there a DJ happening? Like, I want to get invited. This one time, one of our